Hello students. Let us start the third chapter of Standard 10 Mathematics. The chapter name is Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Before starting the chapter, let us know what is a linear equation. Now a linear equation is an equation where the power of the variable is 1. So we can write the linear equation as over here 3x plus 2 equals to 0, or we can write as 3x plus 2y plus 2 equals to 0, or we can write 3x plus 2y plus 4z plus 4 equals to 0. Here we can see that all are linear equations, but over here in the first case it is a linear equation in one variable, because the variable over here is only x. This one is a linear equation in two variables. And the variables involved in this equation are x and y. This one is a linear equation in three variables. And the variables involved are x, y and z. So children, an equation is said to be a linear equation when the degree of that equation is 1. Now over here in the first example, if I give one more related example as 3x equals to 0. So this also is a linear equation because it has power 1. So the general form of a linear equation in one variable we can write as ax plus b equals to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a should not be 0, because if a becomes 0 then this whole term becomes 0, therefore it is not a linear equation in one variable, that is x. Similarly, the general form of the linear equation in two variables can be written as ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a, b not equals to 0. Suppose over here a equals to 0, then this is a linear equation in one variable, that is y. Suppose b equals to 0, then this equation reduces to ax plus c equals to 0, and hence a linear equation in one variable, that is x. So after knowing the concept of the linear equation, let us come to know the chapter. Now children, the whole chapter is divided into this much 4 sections. Now the first section is definition of linear equation. The second one is definition of simultaneous linear equation in two variables and its solution. Now in solution part we will be discussing the graphical method and algebraic method. Now in algebraic method we will be doing substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. 3 methods we will be doing under algebraic method. And at last we will be doing conditions of consistent and inconsistent system of linear equation. What is consistent and inconsistent we will be dealing in this section 2 and its solution part. So let us start the chapter. Let us come to the definition of the pair of linear equations in two variables. The chapter name. First, the definition of linear equations in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a, b not equals to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables here x and y. Now let us come to the next definition. Solution of a linear equation. X equals to alpha and y equals to beta is said to be solution of the linear equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0 if a alpha plus b beta plus c equals to 0. Let us take an example. Suppose 2x plus of y minus of 6 equals to 0. So if we take, suppose x is equals to 0 and y equals to 6, then this equation will become 0 plus of 6 minus of 6 equals to 0, implies 0 equals to 0. Thus x is equals to 0 and 6 is a solution of the linear equation 2x plus y minus of 6 equals to 0. Let us come to the next definition of chapter 3, linear equations in two variables. It is solution of a given system of two simultaneous equations. Now we are knowing what are simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are a pair of equations which are satisfied by the same pair of values of x and y. So what is the solution of a system of two simultaneous linear equations? The definition is a pair of values of x and y satisfying the equations in a given system of two simultaneous equations in x and y is called a solution of the system of linear equations. That is, if a pair of simultaneous linear equation is given, so then that value of x and y which satisfies both the equation is called the solution of the system of two simultaneous linear equation. For example, I have taken two simultaneous equations as 4x minus 5y plus 16 equals to 0 and 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. They both are satisfied by xy equals to 1 and 4. That is, if I substitute x equals to 1 and y equals to 4 in equation 1 and 4, both are satisfied, and hence it is a solution of this pair of system of simultaneous linear equation. After knowing the definition of the solution of system of linear equations, solution of system of linear equations, I repeat, solution of system of linear equations, we should know what is consistent and inconsistent system of linear equations. Now, a linear equation can have a solution or cannot have a solution. Only these two possibilities are there. Now, if a linear equation has a solution, it is called consistent system of linear equation, and if it does not have any solution, it is called inconsistent system of linear equations. So let us come to the definition. Consistent system of linear equations. A system of two linear equations in two unknowns is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. At least one solution means it can have one solution or it can have more than one solution. More than one solution. So this is the first section of consistent system of linear equation. Now in the inconsistent system of linear equation, a system of two linear equations in two unknowns is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution at all. Here at least one solution, here no solution at all.